Hey everyone, this is Japneet. Welcome back to my channel. Our today's video is all about review of today's test, that is 4th March. 4th March है, ठीक है, तो इवनिंग स्लॉट है, मॉर्निंग हुआ नहीं. तो टास्क 2 एक बार देखते हैं. आफ्टर टास्क 1 listening and reading. Okay. Some people think that school should reward students who show the best academic results, while others believe that it is more important to reward students who show improvements. Discuss both views and give your opinion. It is true that the question of whether to reward students with excellent academic results or those showing great improvements remains a source of controversy in the education field. While a number of people believe that only students achieving the highest grade deserve rewards, I would argue that praising students who achieve improvements in is much more reasonable. On the one hand, there are a variety of reasons why awards should be given to students having excellent academic performances. Firstly, this could create a highly competitive studying environment, a school, seeing that students often desire to win prizes. As a consequence, school children could be encouraged to put their effort into studying for the highest scores. Secondly, by adopting this approach, gifted students who are outstanding could be given opportunities to nurture their basic abilities. My secondary school, for instance, selects students with the best result for extra classes to develop their capabilities in order to take them to national competitions. On the other hand, I believe that giving encouragement to those who make strides in their studies results in more favorable outcomes. The first benefit is that this could give equal chances for every student to receive awards rather than only focusing on the highest achievers. Instead of feeling disappointed when with when competing with their top classmates, students who are recognized for their effort during semesters will feel motivated if they are rewarded for making significant progress. Another benefit is that this form of recognition follows the holistic principle of learning, which is to access the world of knowledge, not just to gain high scores. Consequently, several phenomena which occur when examinations approach, including pressure, anxiety, and cheating, would be reduced. In conclusion, although rewarding students with the highest scores is advantageous to some extent, it seems to me that it is better to give encouragement to those who have improved their level of academic performance. Task 1 bar chart था as per the prediction. Listening was easy, reading was bit moderate, and overall level जैसे prediction मैंने की थी वैसे ही था. For more videos, please do subscribe.